Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jet Engine WordPress. Jet Engine is a robust plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a dynamic content powerhouse. It allows you to create and manage custom content types, fields, and taxonomies, moving beyond the default post and page structures. With over 12 modules, it provides extensive tools for building complex websites, from listing directories to membership sites, all without needing to write any code. A core feature of Jet Engine is its ability to create custom post types and custom fields. You can define new content structures, like properties or events, and categorize them with custom taxonomies, similar to categories or tags. Jet Engine offers 18 distinct field types, including text, numbers, galleries, and repeaters, allowing you to capture precise data for your custom content. These fields can be organized into meta boxes for a streamlined editing experience. Once your custom content is structured, Jet Engine helps you display it beautifully. You can design custom listing templates using Elementor, controlling the layout of each content item. Dynamic widgets allow you to effortlessly insert custom field values, images, and links. Furthermore, the powerful query builder lets you fetch and sort content with advanced conditions, ensuring your dynamic listings are always relevant and engaging for your visitors. Jet Engine extends its capabilities with several advanced features. You can control content visibility dynamically, showing specific elements only to logged-in users or based on custom field data. It also enables the creation of user profiles and front-end forms for user-generated content. Additionally, modules like the dynamic calendar and map listings provide specialized display options, making Jet Engine a versatile tool for a wide array of dynamic website projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.